Okay, the second lecture for 4.4 is how to solve logs. First one was how to solve exponents. Now we're solving logs. So to undo a log, we need an exponent. So I'm going to convert this into one-word log by using section 4.3 properties. The subtraction said I had division, and I'm going to set it equal to 2. So if you notice, there's not a log on the other side. So when I look at this, I'm going to set it up as an exponent. My base is 10, and I knew that because there was no base here, so it's common. Base is 10. 10 to the second power is x over x plus 1. So in other words, 100 equals x over x plus 1. I'm going to put a 1 underneath there because now we have a proportion. And I'm going to take this and cross multiply. So cross multiplying, I get 100 times x plus 1 equals x, or 100x plus 100 equals x. Moving terms, 99x equals 100, divide by 99, and you get 100 over 99. If you look at the second problem, there's 3 logs, so what I'm going to do is look on the left-hand side of the equal sign. That's going to become log of x times x plus 1, and that's equal to the log of 2. Well, if you take a look, if left hand equals right hand, these already match up. So if they're going to be equal, x times x plus 1 has to be equal to 2. Distributing, x squared plus x is equal to 2. Moving the 2 to the other side, setting it equal to 0. X plus 2 and x minus 1 when I factor. So I get 2 answers. But there is only one answer to this because when you go back and look at the graph of a logarithm is the inverse of the exponential graph. If you notice, this graph never is in the negative domain area. So negative 2 will never be an answer, only positive 1, even though you got 2 out. Looking at the next problem, this is done the same way. It just has a different base. So what we'll do is we'll merge this side together. So natural log of 5x plus 3 divided by x squared. Where did I get x squared? This 2 on the outside, if you remember, was property 3. Setting it equal to the natural log of 2. Left hand equals right hand. 5x plus 3 over x squared is going to be equal to 2. Cross multiplying, 2x squared equals 5x plus 3. Noticing that I have a quadratic, we're going to go ahead and get everything to one side. We're going to factor 2x plus 1 and x minus 3. So I get 2 answers, negative 1/2. Recall, you cannot have a negative answer in a log because you can even see that on its graph. So the answer to that would be 3. And the last problem here for solving logarithms, this has base 7. So works the same way. And this power of 2/3 means I have log base 7 of 8 to the 2/3. So canceling this out, n equals 8 to the 2/3, which is square 8. Cube root it. Cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So that concludes the lecture for solving logs. When you have logs, you condense them, write them as exponents. When you have exponents, you use logs to bring them down because they are all inverses of each other.